All right, so I took a week off of YouTube because I have some really exciting news coming to you right now on the channel. So I need beta testers. Why do I need beta testers? Well, if you've been following the channel at all recently, I've really had this passion to see people get their graphic design business in a more sustainable and successful long-term growth path. What happens is I see so many graphic designers just diving into a freelance business or starting an agency, so to speak, and they don't have any structure. They don't have any way to really build out good folder systems, good project management systems, good client communications and onboarding processes and emails. And so what happens is they just get completely off track, just trying to just create and not even organize and just put stuff out on social media. And so there's this constant barrage of just bad management and bad leadership. And what I mean by leadership is even just leadership of your own business, even if nobody is working for you yet. So what I've been doing over the last week has been taking some time off of YouTube to just go all in on finishing up the course and getting it ready for what I call the beta round. So I'm inviting 25 people to test out the course absolutely free and just get feedback into the system in order to know, okay, how can I make this even better? This course focuses on how to run a successful design business from a project management standpoint. And this is one of the most important aspects of your business, because if you cannot manage your projects well and in an organized way, you will never be able to scale and you'll never be able to grow into a successful graphic design business. Perhaps you want to hire more people. Perhaps you want to bring on more clients and more projects. The issue is if you get to a point where you're spending so much time trying to, send emails and tell your staff about, oh, this is where that file is. It's not there, it's over here, because you have no system, no organization, then you will never be able to grow past a certain point. You'll have a ceiling. So that's why I have such a passion to see people get organized, get a sustainable onboarding system, client relation system. So I'm offering to you right now as a beta tester a free project management tool and an opportunity to organize the freelance business or the graphic design business that you are trying to grow. And if you're interested in that, please head down into the description below. You click through to the email, send me an email, and get on the beta testers email list. And I'm just so excited to get a whole crew of testers going through the course. It is complete as far as I'm concerned. But what's not complete is your feedback. And so if there's something that you guys find as end users that you say, oh, well, this would help me understand it more, or this word was said wrong here, or if you said this sentence a little differently, it'd make more sense. Those are the things I'm talking about. I just want to get this so refined for the launch in the new year of 2019 that this is why I really want to offer this to you. It's incredible value. And then once you're actually finished being a beta tester, I'm actually going to hook you up with the full course. You'll have full access to the course, but you'll also be able to promote the course for a substantial affiliate commission. So you get your own affiliate code, you can promote the course, and you'll earn some monetary value when you promote the course and people buy it through your links. That's something I'm really excited to offer, and it's going to be a really good rate. So it's not going to be like 1 or 2%. I'm thinking I'm going to offer 25% to everybody who promotes the course who was a beta tester. So that's the big announcement. Head down into the description below. This system covers automating your onboarding emails, automating your onboarding information. So whenever you do like those preliminary kickoff calls and you want to get the information of, what do you want the logo to look like? What's your vision for your company? Those onboarding questions for your client, full project management system, as well as how to organize your folder structure. And then some key kind of upselling tips and some organizational tips scattered throughout the course that I think you're going to find really helpful. All right, head down there, and I'll see you here on the next episode. I'm Benji Kaiser of BenjiKaiser.com.